The herringbone square stitch is made of 4 individual herringbone stitches. It is easy to understand when worked over a square guide. Now, the stitches are supposed to fall on the extension of each corner of the square. So I'm going to extend these lines so that the tutorial is easier to understand. Come out from the extended line of one of the sides, not too far from the corner, and go all the way across to the extended line. Now come out from the extended line closer to where you went in and go across the full length to the other side. Do that for the third side as well. Now, when working the fourth side, take the needle under the second stitch to complete the weave to lock the stitches and pass the needle through the fabric to end the stitch. Now let us work this with just the square with no extended lines. All you have to do is imagine the extended lines. This stitch is an important base stitch in Marash and Kutch embroideries. It supports complex weaving that is the identity of these 2 stitches, and the patterns are often made of squares, so getting used to working this stitch over squares will be beneficial. Now let's go a step ahead and work with no square. All you need is an imagination of a square shape and have fun. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.